Hello. If you would like to reduce microphone noise in DaVinci Resolve, it's very easy. You can work with audio in the Fairlight module, so click there. Add a new track. I usually mute the original audio. So then you have to set up your microphone. Click to Input, choose your microphone and patch it with this track. Now you can see that your microphone works when you click to Arm for Record button. Great, but my microphone is quite noisy. So we can do two things. We can add a noise reduction effect and we can set up gate. For the noise reduction, we can use auto speech mode. The second part is a gate. You can set it at dynamics. And now your microphone should be less noisy. Noise reduction effect learns what the noise is in the room and tries to remove it from the audio. Noise gate, however, just sets a volume and tells the computer to mute the audio every time the audio is below this threshold. I get the best result when I enable both of them.